Well, we are not in a new space, that's for sure. As far as the wicket is concerned, there's a hint of green grass on the wicket. I've not seen it right now.
Kindly keep them on silent mode.
So I've not seen the wicket as of now, but it looks like a good wicket. Initially, there may be something for the fast bowlers, but after that, it will get better to bat on. Later on, I'm not sure. It may turn, it may not turn, depends on how much they have rolled the wicket.
Yes,
Mike Clark just told us a while back that he has a plan for each of the Indian batsmen. Do we have a plan for each of the Australian bowlers?
Well, even in the first test match, we had a plan. So, it's not like we have made a plan after the first test. We have definitely got plans, and we'll try to execute them as well as possible.
Vicky Arthur went further and he said that he has found chinks in Indian batting armor and there is psychological blows to Indian batting and they are in the problem.
Psychological blows.
To the Indian batsmen.
I don't know what to say on that. Hopefully, we'll have to walk the walk.
yes, please.
Why have you decided on the 12 or 11?
Not really, because we don't really announce it. I always like all the squad to be ready to play a test match. Just in case something happens to someone. Overnight. Just before the start of the game. So, everyone is fit to play, which is a big positive for us.
Yes, please. Santosh. Danish. Yes, please.
Is there a thought on staying normal Dravid in this groups? The ways to catch him, the last 1.5 years been talking about it to get him sweat, Kohli or something, or do you have to Dravid is best?
Well, we are happy with him. He's among the best catchers that we have got. And in the game of cricket, you always drop some, you catch some. But if you are consistent with your catching, no good reason why you shouldn't be out of the slip.
Yes, please.
Has Sachin's request for these 100 become a distraction? Is anyone?
Well, for us, it's good. It's a big distraction for the media. Wherever we go, people talk about it. But definitely, as a team, we would like him to score it as quickly as possible. No other reason apart from the fact, it's a big milestone, and would love to enjoy and be part of his success. And so I think it just distracts the media, which is good for us.
Yes, please.
मैं कल ऑस्ट्रेलियन गेम के उधर आप लोग को मतलब 15 मिनट गेट के बाहर वेट करना पड़ा और फिर जाके आपने अंदर कहा कि सपोर्ट से आपको इन्वाइट किया जा रहा था।
No comments. No comments.
Yes, please, you want.
Yeah, MS, in the past, when you've been asked about your own batting, you said that you're not technically that correct, and but what kind of adjustments have you had to make in Australia, and what kind of in terms of making it?
Well, I don't look to do too much adjustment, as small as possible, because what I've learned over maybe the last 15 years, right from school days, it's very difficult to change in just one series or couple of series. So what's important is to adapt well. Look for where you are weak and try to avoid the deliveries that can get you out. So these are the things where I look to improve, because I know all of a sudden I can't really change everything that I've got, and that's the strength that I have. So I just look to do the adjustments and go through the series and look to perform for the side.
Yeah, two questions. Is there any temptation to play Rohit Sharma? Secondly, last time India played here, we know what happened. Is it somewhere how the team has moved on, and is it sort of you guys remember it?
Well, for the playing 11, we'll have to wait and watch again. And as far as the last controversial Sydney Test is concerned, I think both the sides have moved on. Now you see, lesser situations where you see two individuals or a few players, having a fight or verbal spat at each other. Of course, a bit of chit chat is good, but what we have seen is, the behavior of players from both the sides, they have improved over the years, especially with IPL coming in. We play with quite a few Australian players who are part of our side, and the same way there are few which represent other franchises, in the IPL. So we know a bit more about them, and so that really helps us.